Hey, my 3D printing family, this is Mark with Upgrades Complete, and it's been a while since I got to do an update on the Mark 85 build. The helmet was coming along fantastic until I took it out for its second coat of primer and accidentally left it in the sun on a 100-degree day for about 7 hours. Yeah, that's brutal, to say the least. But on the bright side, I had changed my mind on the path I want to follow with my first armor build, so this is going to go to the beautiful but demented mind of my wife over at Upcycles and Oddities, where she will turn it into a one-of-a-kind piece of art that I am sure you will see on her Etsy shop. So if you don't follow her as well, make sure to, and like and subscribe.